Welcome back to our Maths lesson year 2. We're going to continue looking at measurements. So what is length and height? Length is how long something is, and height is how tall something is. Let's take a look at a few more examples. We've got height, length, and width. Width is how fat something is, or how wide. Let's take a look at these 4 boxes and see which is the width and which is the length. So on number 1, we have the length and we have the width. Let's take a look at number 2. The length and then the width. Let's do the same with number 3. Length and width. And we're finished with number 4. Our length and our width. I hope you all got them correct. Now let's recap on some vocabulary. So which is the tallest? The middle house, which is the tallest rocket? The third, which is the tallest vase? The first, the tallest letterbox? The second, the tallest ostrich? The third, and the tallest tree? The second. Now let's take a look at these animals. We're going to measure the heights by blocks. Starting with the monkey and the giraffe. So the monkey is 5 blocks and the giraffe is 9. And the next, we have 4 for the chicken and 2 for the squirrel, 2 for the duck, 4 for the owl, 5 for the rabbit, and 6 for the cat. Which animal is the highest? That's right, the giraffe. Now let's take a look at length. We have a fish, a seal, and a shark. So, how long is the fish? 2 blocks. The seal is 3. How long is the shark? 7. So by length, which animal is the longest? The shark. So let's recap on some vocabulary. Short, shorter, and shortest. Short will be the longest pencil. So let's start. So we have short. Which one is shorter? The blue one. So the green must be the shortest. Now moving on, long, longer, longest. So we have long, which is the smallest. Which one is longer? And which is the longest? Great, let's do it again. Long, longer, and longest. Now let's look at some fun facts about size. Elephants are the largest land animal. They stand at 3 to 4 meters tall. Their massive ears enable them to hear exceptionally well, while their trunks have 5 different functions: breathing and talking in elephant language, smelling, touching, and grasping. Then we have the Great Barrier Reef. It's situated in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland in Australia. It supports a multitude of underwater life, including 30 species of dolphin, whales and porpoises, over 1,500 species of fish, 6 species of turtle, crocodiles, and many more things. And if we measure it by miles, it's 1,033 square miles. That's 348 billion meters. Now we have Greenland. It's the largest island in the world, which is also the least densely populated in the whole world. Most of the country is covered in ice, and it got its name from the early Scandinavian settlers, the Vikings, and it's 2 trillion meters square. That's quite a big island. Then we have the sequoia tree. Not only are sequoias the largest trees, they're also the biggest thing to live on this planet. On average, they grow to be anywhere from between 49 to 84 meters tall and roughly 7 to 8 meters wide. The oldest living sequoia is around 3,500 years old. Then we have the blue whale. If you've ever had the chance to see a blue whale in real life, you've been in the presence of the largest creature in the world. They're also the heaviest thing ever to exist. They average around 30 meters long. Hope you enjoyed the lesson, Year 2, and I hope that you're understanding the difference between millimeters, centimeters, and meters now, and the different vocabulary we use for measurements like length and width and height. In our next lesson, we'll continue to look at measurements. Until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.